Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can create a donut chart in our Power BI desktop. Okay, I already make a video on Power BI main interface. Okay, main Power Query editor, column chart, stacked chart, bar chart, pie chart, how you can create all these charts in Power BI. So go and check it out, that videos also, and let's start. Okay, so let's just open our Power BI editor. Okay, so this is the main interface which we already discussed, and here is our data set. I use only the one data set for all the videos. Okay, if you want this data set, just comment down below. I will provide the link. Okay, and let's see how we can create a donut chart and what is donut chart. So donut chart is similar as pie chart. Okay, and just open this visualization pen, and here you can see donut chart, and this is our pie chart. Okay, and just click on this donut chart, and that's how our donut chart looks like. Okay, so basically a donut chart is similar to pie chart, but with a hole in a center. Okay, so it is similar to pie chart, but it is having this hole in a center. Okay, and the hole in center is resembled a donut. Okay, that's why it is called a donut chart. Okay, the chart is divided into arcs. Okay, so these were the slices of arc. Okay, so donut chart divides the slices into a shape of arc. Okay, and each arc is represent a category of data. Okay, and the size of each arc is proportional to the quantity it represent. Okay, so in pie chart, each slice represent a category of data. Similarly, in donut chart, each slice is represent to a category of data, and size of the slice is represent to a quantity of that category present in our data. Okay, so just click on the three dots, remove this chart, and let's just create a pie chart. Okay, and provide data to this chart. Okay, so here I'm creating a donut chart. Sorry, I just say pie chart. So I'm creating a donut chart, and here I'm providing let's just create on the basis of category, and shift mode. No, it will create a table here. I just forgot to click here. Okay, just select category and shift mode. No, because it has both were the categorical data set. Okay, so so here I'm creating a donut chart. Just click on this focus mode so it was more clear to everyone. So it will represent the sum of profit on the basis of each category. Okay, so here technology is having a maximum profit of 90.46k, which is a 51.61% of this whole donut chart. So basically the sum of this whole donut chart is equals to 100%. Okay, and but just values were not look good for me, so I make it more simple. I just go to legends and turn it off. I don't want this legends here. Instead of that, I just go to this detailed labels, and I will change my label. Okay, I want this category name with the percentage. Okay, and I will increase the font size. Okay, and change the font color. Okay, and if you want to change the size of this slices, you can go to slices and you can change the color of this slices if you want. And if you want to change the background color, similarly go to generals, change the background. If you go to effects, then background color. Okay, in this effect you have this background color, and you can select the background color from here as per your choice. Okay, so I hope so it is clear to everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.